I thought he was going to start. Happy birthday, Dave.
Happy birthday.
We miss you. I'm sorry that we haven't seen you for all of 2020. COVID sucks. I'm sorry that you're turning 60 without us there. We love you. We miss you. You're always welcome to come to Colorado as soon as there's no danger of death.
Yeah, that's where you lead off. Hey, man. Happy birthday. From us and the dogs.
We'll be more eloquent when we call you on your actual birthday.
Hey, Uncle Dave. Happy birthday. 60. It's a good number. Yeah, I just want to wish you guys, just the best on your birthdays. And I'm sorry I couldn't come out and say hi to you for your 60th, and that we all feel that way, but you know how it is, and we will definitely get a lot more in the next time we see each other, and this kind of thing is long in the past. So yeah, just happy birthday. Keep doing your thing, keep playing your music, keep working on the art, just keep doing the things that are making you happy, because that's the best you can do. That's the best we can all do. So yeah, man, I think you got it down. You got the secret formula. So just keep doing that and have a great birthday, all right?
Go.
Hey Dave, happy birthday. It's Jim, and I hear that it's 60 years, 6-0. That's a long time to be walking on this planet, so congratulations. I think 60 years definitely turned you into a very, very awesome person that I appreciate very much. You're an awesome brother-in-law, and I couldn't have been more lucky to have you as a brother-in-law and as part of the family. You're always thinking about us and taking care of us, even from far away, and that's just awesome. So after 60 years, take a rest, take a break, and relax, and have a great time celebrating with everybody around you. And when we get a chance to be with you too, we will do that and celebrate with you. All right? Thanks a lot, and take care. Love you.
A heart on for you, baby. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday from me to you. I'm glad it's not my birthday, then I'd be older too.
San Ho Connection is wishing you a happy 60th, bro. Happy 60th birthday. This is your low rider. And I want to let you know you got a good woman to take care of. So treat her good, because she's well worth it, Issy. All right. And now we're going to have a toast to your 60th birthday. All right. Here we go, brother. This is your shot of tequila.
To you. I won't sing any more than that because I don't want to hurt your ears. Anyway, I'm sending this video to say happy birthday, Dave, and wishing you a bright new year and of happiness. And I know that you, as long as you have Lucy at your side, it will be awesome. You're a wonderful man, just like her, and you guys make a great couple, and I love you, and I can't wait to have you come and visit us in our home here in Nevada and open that big bottle of wine. Still waiting for you. Love you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hello, Dave. Hey, happy birthday, and many more to come. Pretty soon you're going to catch up to poor old Gary. Well, Patty's in Sparks, Nevada, and I'm down here at the shop working today. let you know what I'm doing here, and working on that motor right there. That's a Dart motor, 427 small block. And here are the pistons and rods that are going to go in it. And I've got blocks all over the place I got to do. But hey, have a super birthday, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.
Hey, bro, happy 60th. Okay, I'm trying to set up a nice video thing for you and make it, but I can't get the darn thing to work. You know how that works. So this is what you're going to get. Happy birthday, bro. I hope you have a good day, man. Okay, I'll see you.
Happy 60th birthday, Dave.
Happy 60th birthday, Dave.
And many more.
Hi, Dave. And Snoopy and I would like to wish you a happy 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dave. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Good evening, Dave. How you doing? Hey, it's your birthday. I want to celebrate with you and Lucy with some good tequila. Anyway, my friend Rosa couldn't make it, so I'm on my own with Alexa. Alexa, play Happy Birthday.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, I get mixed up. Happy birthday to you. And many more. That I do know. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Best wishes. Stay safe. And peace out.
What's up, buddy? This is Albert. I don't need to tell you where I'm from. I hope you're having a great birthday, or at least enjoying your birthday week. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope the family's doing well. Hope Lucy's doing well. Looking forward to seeing you guys again. Happy birthday, bro. Talk to you soon.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dave.
Hello. Happy birthday, Uncle Dave. I love you. Enjoy your day. I miss you.
Hey, Dave. Happy birthday. It's 60. Wow. Wishing you many, 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 many more years to come, and love and happiness and peace. Everything you wish for everybody else, I wish that for you. Miss you. Love you. Bye.
Hey, Uncle Dave. It's your favorite nephew. No, okay, I'm just kidding. I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, man. Happy you turned 60. I wish I could be down there, but with the state of everything, not so much. But I love you. I want to talk to you more, so call me. I'll definitely return those, and have a happy birthday. Love you.
Hey, David. Haole laha now. Wishing you a happy birthday in Hawaiian. A little bit of music here. I'll raise it up just a little bit. Hold on. Anyway, I got some music for you. I got a little Bacardi and a party hat. This was mine, but I'm going to let you have it today, okay? Just letting you know, I'm thinking about you. I am now calling you my kumpai, David, since you're with my kumai, Lucy. Anyway, just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, a little bit of music, a little bit of dancing, And I want to tell you, you're very lucky to have this because, as you will ask your Lucy, I do not take pictures. I do not take videos. So this is going to be one of a kind, okay? But anyway, just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I don't have my other half here. He's gone to the park, which is fine. And my 2 little girls are asleep. And anyway, they're in a barking mood. But anyway, David, a little bit of music, like I said, and a little bit of Bacardi, and a happy birthday. Okay, love you, Kumpai David. You take care. God bless. Be safe. Happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños. A little bit of music too.
Birthday, just want to get my favorite piece of ass a happy birthday present here. Here we go. Hey Dave, happy birthday again. Sorry man, I hope I was okay. Kind of nervous looking for the cops. I'll have to send you another video, man. Happy birthday, happy 60th. I'll talk to you later. Happy 60th birthday, Davey. I planned something very funny to do for your video, but life isn't giving me a lot of time lately, forcing me to do the things that I'd like to do. So I apologize. This video is while I'm driving, and I I just wanted to say 60 years. Wow. Not sure I'm going to make it back to that age, but I'm glad one of us did. Love you, my brother. You take care, and we'll celebrate, hopefully in the near future. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Hello, David. Happy 60th birthday. Las mañanitas que cantaron Rey David. Hoy Santo, damos a ti. Despierta, mi bien, despierta. Mira que ya amaneció. Pajarillos cantan, la luna ya se metió. Baila más, baila. Vente. Vamos a bailar. A bailar.
Vamos a bailar.
Sí, ya se te olvidó. Felicidades. Dave. Dave. Hello, hija. Dave. David. Dave. Happy birthday, Dave! Happy birthday! We hope you have a great 60th. A little unconventional, but we love you. My parents love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dave. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. We love you.
Hey, don't worry, Dave. 60's the new. Wait. No, you're old. All right. We love you, though. Enjoy. We'll talk to you later.
Happy birthday,
Dave.
Tried
Happy
many
birthday.
times, and it just didn't happen, but okay.
We're on take 99.
Sorry.
Who's director of this thing anyway?
Oh, God.
All right.
Anyway.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, David. I understand you're going to be 60 here very soon, and as a woman who is 61, I want you to know that turning 60 is not a bad thing. In fact, it's a time of new beginnings and a time of fire. And I just want you to know how much I care about you, not only as a friend, but as a student. And from one hummingbird to the other, I want you to know that this time of your life is a time of fire. And I want you to share that with the world because you have such a beautiful heart, David. And I want you to see the picture right behind me. It's a warrior who is coming out of the sacred dream time with Buffalo Medicine Calf Woman. And he's coming out with a vision that he holds for himself and the world. And I know that after a deep time of healing from your grief, you are ready to meet the world with great expectation and love. And I want you to shine your heart for everyone to see and share it in the way that is unique to you, David. And I just want you to know how much you are respected and loved and honored by Arthur and I. And we did our videos separately because we each had a message for you. But I just want you to know how much I care about you and how unique of a soul that you really are. And everyone who has you in their life are so lucky to have you. And I am blessed to have had you as a student and as a friend. Happy birthday. I love you.
Well, Dave, there's something that I want to share with you, and it's the fact that you are a very, very dear friend and respected in your field of expertise. And I wish you a very happy and wonderful birthday. And with that, I'd like to say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to
Hey, Dave. We're over here at the thrift store looking for something to buy you, but we couldn't find anything that would tickle your fancy. But happy birthday for an old man. You're not doing too bad. See ya.
Bye.
Hey, David, how you doing? This little song goes out to you. I just want to say, happy birthday to Dave. Happy birthday to Dave. Happy birthday, you made it through the 50s. Welcome to the 60s. Happy birthday, Dave. Happy birthday, Dave.
All right, go ahead.
Hello, Dave. Yolanda and I rewrote this song for you. Here goes.
Happy birthday to Dave. Happy birthday to Dave. You made it through the 50s. Now welcome to the 60s.
Happy birthday to Dave.
And I too wrote one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. However, you can do it. See, you never taught me. You gotta teach me. Happy birthday, Dave.
Happy birthday, Dave.
We love you. Have a big 60. Yay!
Ready?
Happy 60th birthday, dear Dave.
Happy 60th birthday, dear Dave. Happy 60th birthday, dear Dave. Happy 60th birthday, dear Dave.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Come see us. Love you.
We love you. You have the best gift of all, my mother.
Yay.
And that's a very good gift to us.
Yay.
And we couldn't be happier. We love you. Happy 60th.
Happy 60th
Yes. Happy celebrate.
Woo-woo.
I just want to say happy birthday to my man Dave. Happy you're part of the family. It's always a pleasure to see you. I hope you enjoy your day. I'm sorry I couldn't make it. Hope you have an amazing day. You deserve it. Peace, love, and happiness.
Hey, what up, Birdman?
Happy birthday, Dave.
Happy birthday, Bird.
Happy birthday.
The big 60. Wow.
Man, 60, bro.
You like my shoes? They're nice and clean.
Getting old.
I remember when you were in diapers. And I was spoon feeding you.
Hey, well, you know, we really wish you have an awesome birthday. And I know you will,
Look at your
because every
stomach,
day
Dad.
is awesome for you. What? Nevertheless, we knew you were the one. We first met you. The one what? We don't know. We're still thinking about that, but you're the one anyway. So, hey, happy birthday. And
Happy birthday. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed your day
Love you,
today.
bro.
You deserve it all.
Cheers.
PHL, bro.
Cheers.
6-0. 6-0.
We're excited about celebrating with you.
Three
so,
dancing monkeys.
Just don't fall asleep this time, okay?
Yeah, don't sleep in my bed.
'Cause this time we're not going to carry you to the room. But,
kidding, just kidding.
No, I'm serious. Okay. Anyways,
All right,
happy
bro.
birthday, bro.
Happy
See you
birthday,
soon. Love you. Bye. 6-0.
Hey, boyfriend. This thing says it's my birthday. It's not my birthday. It's your birthday. Do you know who it is? It's your crazy girlfriend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy 60 to you. I love you too with all my heart. I hope you enjoyed the video for your birthday. And I know I had fun getting it together for you. And I'm really hoping you enjoyed it. And I just wish you a wonderful 60th birthday. And I'm really happy that you can say you're 60 now like me. So we can say we're 60 something. All right, boyfriend. We're going to have a great time today. We're going to celebrate and have a great time with whoever is here joining us today. All right? You know I love you and looking forward to spending many, many, many more birthdays with you. Okie dokie, artichoke. All right. Let's go party hardy. Yay! Over and out.